Model, 2021 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 320 Nugget front-wheel drive L2H1 factory-fitted crew cab 47K no VAT bargain. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 47,628. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £21,750 plus VAT.